Welcome to the third class of embroidery, and first thing is, let's see how do you take out the thread from the skein. Just pull the end of the thread like this and take a comfortable length. So this actually has 6 yarns in it. So what you can do is you can take one yarn and pull out like this. Straighten the yarn, pull out the second thread. Just hold all the threads together so that they do not untangle. So right now I am taking 3 yarns for embroidery. You can also take 2 yarns. You can do embroidery with 1 yarn also. For finer stitches you can also take just 1 yarn. So take 3 yarns, put them together, and this leftover yarn just keep it safely with you here so that you can use it again. So keep the skein also with this. Okay, so I have already threaded 3 yarns on 6 number needle. Take the needle from here. You can roll your quilted fabric for the needles and then just keep it away. Let's look at the first stitch. Now the first stitch is the running stitch. So this is the running stitch which I am going to do, the first one, and I will show you the whipped running stitch also, which is using a different color. Always put a knot at the back. I will show you also how without a knot you can work. So roll the yarn like this and take it out of the loop here. So that's how you make a needle. So let's see once again. So roll it over your finger and just rotate it and just put a knot like this. So the knot should always be at the back of the fabric. Take out the needle from here. Just do very small 4 mm stitches or maybe 3 mm stitches. So I'm doing it without the embroidery frame, but you can also do it with the embroidery frame. So try to make equal stitches. So this is like 3 mm or 4 mm stitches. You can also make smaller stitches, smaller than this. So that's a running stitch. So these are slightly bigger and spaced out. These are slightly closer to each other. So one could do even smaller than this. So you can keep exploring with this stitch. So that's a very basic running stitch, right? So this is with 3 yarns. If I do it with 2 yarns, then these stitches will become finer. Thank you.